car today. Brum, 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 brum. Bring. Ha ha.
Hi, Sam.
Mao Zedong.
What doing?
Mao Zedong. Engine pumping and thumping in time. Time to pull out. Because it did the boom boom prime.
So what's the plan here?
Boom boom. I take all of this shit out.
This
No,
right here?
I'm gonna unplug that. I'm gonna unplug that. I'm gonna unplug that. Unplug that. Unplug that. Unplug that. You get it? I hope this video doesn't end with the garage burning down.
Update. Why'd you have to stuff it?
So that guy doesn't climb up inside there.
Oh, okay. What even happened in the first place?
It goes. It's time to fix it.
Joe got a little excited, huh?
Despite what the internet says, you don't have to take the drive shaft out before you pull the engine. It makes it a hell of a lot easier if you do, but I didn't have jack stands, so for the back, so it's up on ramps, so I couldn't spin the drive shaft around. I will have to figure that out when the shit goes back in, because that'll just make it awful.
Have you ever done this before on the
No,
Miata?
Not on the Miata, no. This is the first time. This is the third engine I pulled. First one I've pulled without just like breaking shit on purpose. How to properly pull your engine. Give it a little shaky. A little shaky bakey. Ooh yeah.
Engine's out.
Engine's out though.
He about to take that? That's coming off, and then we're gonna put this whole fucking thing on that thing so he can work on the thing. Right, Sammy?
Yeah, also so that I can transport the thing safely to the guy who's gonna go
What guy?
one of them guys that does the who make the holes bigger, that make the things go ooh ooh ooh.
You're hiring a guy?
Oh, well, I mean, that's what, when you like pay for someone's services, so technically, I don't have a guy necessarily, but we'll go pay someone.
You're not gonna do it yourself?
I don't have a...
You don't have a machining.
I don't have a boring machine.
Mr. Wolf, explain.
So you got the pit in the cylinder.
I know what the piston and cylinder is now.
Okay.
When a mommy and daddy have babies,
The piston
the
go in the
piston
cylinder.
goes bigger whenever the babies come out.
See, and I'm gonna be making the babies here. So like, you got the cylinder. Mm-hmm. And it's this size.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it to a guy to make it this size.
You said how much horsepower will it add?
Oh, I don't know. 3. I don't know.
3? Is that even
About
worth?
brand new.
Is that even worth?
Well, none.
He's
so,
spending $6,000 to make 3 horsepower.
The cars are not worth it. Anyways, I'm gonna shoot for 450. Not get that. I'm gonna get like
Horsepower?
450 horsepower.
He wants to make as much as my car makes.
My car makes less than 100.
I know. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get like 350. That's before the turbo.
Anyway, anything else before we log out?
Don't listen to what the schools tell you. If
Oh.
you want to do something, you can do it. It doesn't matter who you are. You can do it. Ta-da! Get ready to catch the piston.
You just touched my wiener.
And go put it with others. Put it with his friends. Put it with his friends. Oh, we did it.
Bingo! 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck you, bitch.
So like you should be fine though.
Fuck you too.
So what's happening here now?
It don't got nothing in it. It's ready to go.
That's awesome, dude.
The 2 pieces of the motor came apart. So you take the 2 parts of the engine apart, and you got the head, and you got the block. That hit my exhaust. Huh? Anyways, now that's all that's left is to remove the valves, and then it is ready to be taken to a machine shop, which I've still yet to find. After I get the valves out, I find a machine shop, and then they flatten the shits, and then they flatten the shits over here. Come on. They're gonna flatten this and flatten that side so that they can be married once again. And they're also going to make this diameter, like we were talking about earlier, bigger.
Okay.
For more boom. These guys.
Oh, they're so small and cute. Okay, so this is pretty neat.
Sure.
This little piston went to market. This little piston.
It's me, Nathan, again. There's so many wires that need to be wired. Did you know that cruise control is the same as a Jeep Wrangler seat regulator? A Jeep Wrangler seat power regulator. Power seat regular power seat regulator.
What's going on?
The ECU is on. The keys are in my hand. The keys are now in the ignition. The ECU is off. And it hisses fuel out. So I know it's communicating and trying to run an engine.
We've looked up the issue apparently, and no one has had this specific issue before, so
I went on all the forums.
we're currently very frustrated. They don't know that you were installing a new ECU until just this moment.
Wow. Oh, and there's a dashboard.
Yeah, there's a brand new dashboard.
Yeah, there's a dashboard here now.
We didn't get a shot of the original, but update on the engine, we're not getting it bored as much as we thought. We could not find the original piston size. It's literally like 0.5 millimeters larger.
Turned out to be 0.3.
0.3 millimeters larger. It's just what we had to do for the pistons to fit.
I
love how I'm saying we. Like, I feel like I've been a bit of a help.
What the fuck is bro watching over there?
Had either died naturally or was seized by the ants and was now being hauled all the way home. Swarm of
Pepperoni.
ants cooperatively carried a huge prey item back to their nest. Let's
And then
just
look,
sit back for a moment
he
and
has a
watch this
1,000-gallon
awesome
tank
scene that happens
that
every
he has
day
a
for these
whole
ants in the
ass
wild.
ecosystem
But was
in.
now-
He has geckos in there, fucking everything.
The ants rejoiced in a festive clamor as they paraded their new catch along their hunting trail.
Update. Dash is in. We figured out the ECU. It was a ground the whole time. Looks good.
Hey sir, we've got a couple complaints about you. What have you been doing? Count to 3 and then say ABCs.
1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, A, O, S, Q, R, V, Q, S.
ABC. YFG. What'd you do? Oh, well, you see, the carpets came up, they sure did. And then I cleaned it, degreased it and shit. A little sandy poo, a little vacuum it poo, a little black paint, a little glitter, a little black paint, and a clear coat.
I only did this side though.
What is going on?
I think you took too much.
Hi, Sam.
Hello.
Now we have the engine back. Are you happy with it?
Yes, they did great work.
And what are you doing now?
We are putting the last valve in. Almost done.
Hey, Nathan, shine a flashlight on your beautiful work.
Okay, it could be better. It's a spray can.
We painted the floor.
It's all good now.
What happened?
I ordered the wrong rods. The wrist pin that goes in the piston didn't fit. You got your piston.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. The wrist pin.
The wrist pin. Fits like a glove. Ooh.
Oddly satisfying. And this guy goes in between while you're sliding that wrist pin in.
Doesn't fit.
Here's something that happened. This is a master. And then there's the slave down there. So we got a new...
Shh, I'm not putting that in.
That's literally the name of the part. It's a master and a slave.
Literally. It's like this the same way if you're messing with the timing on it, it's you can retard it.
Yes, you can retard your engine.
Okay, nothing. Okay, so what about it?
I got a new one.
Cool.
We ethically sourced a hardtop from the local farm, non-GMO, cruelty-free.
Vegan? Did you say vegan?
Vegan.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here.
He stole
This
this.
guy right here.
I got a Z. I traded it. Dude needed a family car, and I needed a car. Oh, he's actually busting it down. Holy shit.
It's bad, nice car. Very good trade. 4Runner?
4Runner? 4Z?
So we're gonna fit 3 people in this plus a pizza.
Yep. We're driving big stinky.
I don't think that's happening. It actually is like out of gas though. Okay, peoples. Crank. Block. Inserted. And then we got bearings going in as well.
The quick shot! It's a pissin'! It's a pissin'!
Update.
Shit's back together a little bit. It's always recommended to give your engine a few spin-overs just to make sure everything's all good. And we got compression now.
Oh, wow.
If you are building an engine, you stay organized. Otherwise, you will be like me, sad, dirty, scared because you don't really know what's next, what you've done already, because everything's just scattered around. You just gotta keep it all in your head, which then drives you crazy. We are done for the night. I don't even want to know how many days it's been. Closing up shop. So far, this has cost me my back, my time, a clean truck. Jesus Christ. AutoZone Home Improvement. Acquire. Very good, very nice, very good. Yes, yes. Now look at me, looking stupid as fuck in the shadow. Just hold the phone.
What's happening, Sam?
Engine go in.
Yay!
Don't bring this. It's AC.
Why are you letting it out?
So I can huff it. Duh.
Oh,
You might want to get out from under there.
oh yeah, Lance is here. Say hi, Lance.
Oh, this smells like shit.
Damn, how much shit's in this?
A lot. Should be a lot. It needed to be recharged. It should have like. Oh, I'm fucking taking it off. Dude.
Many hours later.
Ty here. Thought I'd film a little tiny update. Sam asked me to engrave his valve cover. I'm obviously not a professional, so don't judge too hard. Got Dead Wolf Customs, which is his brand. Dying to Slide. Also, small update about all car things. Sam has been trying to get his car tuned for a long time, and then it'll pretty much be ready. I'm sure there's a bunch of things that he's done that I have forgotten about that we haven't filmed, and I'll kind of film an update with him as well later. But just wanted to show you the valve cover. Sam's got someone tuning the car right now.
You went red to like 4,000 when it comes back down by itself.
Okay. And it just shut off.
Hi, Sam.
Hello. We put it in.
Ooh.
Titan. It's still not secured though.
This is the finished valve cover.
How did oil get up here? Oh no.
Hi, Sam.
Okay, so we're painting the Miata.
Here's progress so far, and I think we're gonna keep it like this. I really like it this way. Nathan's being a helpful friend. Okay. Ew! Shit. Yeah. Is it dry?
Hell no.
A little interjection here. We were having some ground issues where if you had any electricals on, it would mess with the idle. When you would roll the windows all the way down, it would mess with the idle bad. Like it would lean the car out. I called my tuner because I had no clue. I relocated the ground for the O2 sensor into here. That was a while back ago. That was when we started tuning. And since I didn't want to take the fuel rail off again, I just added a ground wire here. So this is the original one. I don't know. I honestly, if I'm being completely honest here, I have no clue where this ground went originally. So I put it here. So far, that has pretty much well fixed my issue. Ish. We still need to dial some things in. And I also need to check the grounds in the back of the car, which are not hard to do at all, so.
One eternity later.
Built a gay car.
Okay, guys. Right back where we started in Nathan's garage. There are a few things that happened that we hadn't filmed. First is the obvious. We got new paint. We got new seats, new seat belts.
Boyfriend?
We painted the dashboard. There's no longer a radio. There was a radio mounted there. Yeah, new over fenders. I don't know if I already said that. This video was filmed over the course of 6 months. Sam, how do you feel now that it's finished?
I feel okay. I'm excited for a nap.
It took us forever to get the car tuned. I'm sorry that we failed to film a lot of the process after the engine went back in the car, because it goes from like constant every few days filming to like super sporadic.
This is true. To a car being
completely, I mean, not completely finished, but drivable and pretty. Shout out to anyone who helped with the car or let us have their space or tools. Okay, Sam, say bye. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Fuck the government.
I'm not a big fan of the government. 30 on 30. I'm not a big fan of the government. 30 on 30 on 30. I'm not a big fan of the government. 30, 30, 30. I'm not a big fan of the government. Not a big fan. Not a big fan of the government. I'm not a big fan of the government. Not a big fan.